Gomi's Forever Phone Case, a smarter way to protect your phone and the planet. Every time we buy a new phone, something else quietly follows it into our lives. A new phone case. New phone, new case, maybe a different color or style to match the upgrade. And what happens to the old one? Most of the time it gets tossed into a drawer, forgotten, or worse, thrown away and sent to landfill. Phone cases have become fast fashion accessories. They change quickly, follow trends, and are designed to be replaced often. This is strange when you think about it, because the phone inside that case already has a huge environmental footprint. Mining rare materials, manufacturing complex electronics, shipping across the world. Smartphones are anything but eco-friendly. Yet we wrap them in accessories designed to be disposable. That's where Gomi comes in. Gomi is a small design studio based in Brighton, UK, and they're trying to rethink what a phone case should be. Their idea is simple but surprisingly radical. Instead of constantly replacing phone cases, why not keep the material forever? The idea behind the forever case. Gomi's phone case is made from 100% recycled plastic, but that's only the beginning of the story. What really makes it different is how the company treats the material itself. In Gomi's system, plastic doesn't have an end of life. The case is designed to be repaired again and again. If it gets chipped, cracked, or damaged, Gomi will fix it for free. For life. And when you upgrade to a new phone, you don't need to throw the case away. You send it back, pay a small upgrade fee, around £20 or roughly $28. And Gomi remolds the same plastic into a brand new case that fits your new device. Instead of buying a new product each time, you're essentially subscribing to the material. The plastic stays in use, changing shape as your phone changes, rather than being discarded and replaced. A truly circular design. Many products claim to be sustainable, but Gomi builds sustainability into the core of its design process. The recycled plastic they use can be reheated, reshaped, and reformed without losing its strength. That means scratches and cracks can be repaired, and entire cases can be melted down and turned into new ones. In Gomi's world, waste doesn't exist. The plastic either becomes another phone case or gets reused in a different Gomi product. This closed loop is the real innovation, not just recycling once, but recycling endlessly. It's a reminder that sustainability isn't just about where materials come from, but about what happens to them over time. No two cases are ever the same. One of the most interesting aspects of the Gomi case is its appearance. Each case is pressed from mixed recycled plastics, creating a unique marble pattern. Because the plastics are blended differently every time, no two cases look exactly alike. Instead of trying to hide this randomness, Gomi embraces it. Color names like Panther or Pastel blends act more like general themes than exact designs. The result is a one-of-one case that looks almost like recycled terrazzo, a small slab of art wrapped around your phone. In a world where mass-produced accessories aim for perfect uniformity, Gomi turns imperfection into a feature. Your case is literally unique, and there's no way to recreate the exact same pattern again. Protection without compromise. Of course, a phone case still needs to do its primary job, protect your phone. Gomi's cases are designed with raised edges to protect both the screen and camera, ensuring they don't make direct contact with surfaces when placed face down or dropped. The fit is snug and secure, and the cases are drop tested to what Gomi describes as military-grade standards. For users invested in Apple's MagSafe ecosystem, there's also an optional MagSafe version. This includes a built-in magnetic ring that works with wireless chargers, wallets, and docks. If you don't use MagSafe accessories, you can skip it. But the option keeps the case compatible with modern iPhone habits and workflows. Handmade, not mass-produced. Every Gomi phone case is handmade in Brighton by a small independent team. This isn't a massive factory operation churning out thousands of identical units. Buying a Gomi case supports a local workshop and a more human-scale approach to manufacturing. The company leans into this philosophy by offering free delivery across the UK, EU, and the USA, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It reinforces the idea that this is a long-term relationship between the user and the product, not a quick impulse purchase that gets replaced when the next color trend appears. Rethinking our relationship with tech accessories, the Gomi Forever case quietly challenges how we think about phone ownership. Phones may still change every few years. That reality isn't going away anytime soon. But the materials surrounding them don't have to follow the same disposable cycle. A case that can be repaired, remolded, and upgraded instead of replaced entirely might seem like a small change. But in an industry built on constant replacement and seasonal design drops, it feels genuinely disruptive. Gomi isn't just selling a phone case. They're offering a different way to think about materials, ownership, and waste. It's a modest idea, but one that hints at a future where tech accessories are designed to last, not just physically, but conceptually. And in a world drowning in disposable plastic, that might be one of the most meaningful upgrades of all.